In this tutorial, we'll be taking a look at the Binance Web3 wallet, including how to get started with it and some of its features. Be sure to pay attention and watch till the end to avoid missing any important information. Before we get started with the tutorial, click on the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so that you won't miss out on any of our upcoming tutorials. For those familiar with my videos, as I always mention, an important thing to note is that you have to create and maintain a Binance account to access the platform services. If you're finding it difficult to open an account, don't worry, because I have made videos on that, so be sure to check them out. Now, when you're opening your Binance account, I want you to pay attention to the option that says Referral ID. If you use my referral ID, T7J9MB5J, you'll get an extra 20% off on the trading rates you have to pay for every trade that you make on the exchange. All you have to do to get that 20% off is go to the Referral ID drop-down and click on it. After that, a field will open where you'll type in my referral code. I will also leave the code in the description below. Once you use my referral code, you'll get an extra 20% off your trading fees, which could end up being a lot of money, especially if you're planning to do a lot of trading on Binance. So, the Binance Web3 wallet is a non-custodial wallet that gives users complete control over their assets and private keys. Unlike custodial wallets, where a third-party service manages and holds your assets, this wallet ensures you have full ownership without needing to rely on a centralized service. The Binance Web3 wallet incorporates MPC technology, which divides access into 3 separate keys that are stored in different locations, offering strong security without the need for traditional passphrases. The wallet requires more than 1 key for access, with 2 keys always in the user's possession. To further reinforce user control and the focus on non-custodial storage, the Binance Web3 wallet includes an emergency export feature that allows users to export their private keys. Setting up the wallet is quick and hassle-free, with no need to worry about seed phrases or private keys. It's as simple as installing your Binance app, and we'll get to that part in a bit. So, the Web3 wallet offers convenience by connecting directly to Binance Bridge and other services, allowing you to easily swap tokens across different blockchains at competitive rates. With just a single tap, you can also explore decentralized applications or dApps and start earning rewards. Every transaction in the Web3 wallet is protected by MPC or multi-party computation technology, providing several layers of protection. And in case you ever need or have questions, Binance offers 24/7 customer support, ensuring you have a smooth experience. Now let's take a look at how to get started with the Binance Web3 wallet. So getting started with the Binance Web3 wallet is easy. All you need to do is download the Binance app if you haven't done that already. Once you get the app, log in and tap on Wallets. After that, switch to the Web3 tab at the top, and finally, tap Create Wallet. It's as easy as that. The Binance Web3 wallet is designed to make managing DeFi and cryptocurrencies easy, secure, and user-friendly. You can think of it as a digital fortress for your assets that is conveniently accessible in your pocket. That brings us to the end of this tutorial. Don't forget to use my referral code when opening your Binance account to enjoy 20% off your trading fees on the platform. As I said earlier, I will leave the code in the description below. If you're yet to subscribe, be sure to do that now because there are more tutorials on the way.